Okay, I hope you enjoyed the last lecture and you now have the understanding of mathematical operators. For now, we are going to look into how do we insert new rows and new columns into our data. We have the daily sales for days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Our business is going good and we now want to open our stores even on Sundays. To do that, we will most probably like to insert another column between column H and I. There are a few uh, more than three ways I know of doing that, but let's see the most used and simple ways to insert a column in a desired position. First way is to select the column after which you want to insert, before which you want to insert a column. Go to home ribbon and click on insert and then insert sheet column. Immediately you can see that a column in between the Saturday and Sunday is inserted and the alphabetical order of the column even hasn't changed at all. Everything looks fine, as good as new. I'll press Ctrl Z. So what was it? You select the column before which you want to insert another column and then you insert it using the insert button and clicking on the drop down menu by accessing the home ribbon. The other way is that you right click on the column name and insert. That is another way of doing it, and you can apply the similar to rows as well. Select a row after which before which you want to enter a new row and you right click and insert, or Ctrl Z. You can insert it from up here, insert sheet rows, and that's how. Another way is that, for example, you want to add two rows after H, column H. To do that is that you select two rows and insert sheet columns. It will insert two columns. If you want n columns to be inserted in between, select n columns and insert row. Ctrl Z. Okay, so we wanted to open our shop on Sunday and I will quickly insert a row. Sunday and 5 4 23 is pretty much 8 6. I'll just enter random data and see. The one thing I would like to highlight here that is the formula still working. To check that is to enter F2, excuse me, and you can see that it is not counting in the Sunday as in the total. To do that, you will simply plus the Sunday cell and hit enter, and then you want to apply this to all the items, that is by double clicking at the bottom right. Closing stock, just remember to check all of your formulae by hitting F2 on the keyboard and selecting the cell containing the formula. It's completely fine. Opening stock minus total, and we have changed the total, so this column is working fine. Monthly cell is pretty much fine as we have changed the total, and F2, this seems to be this needs to be changed. We need to enter 7 here so that the daily is for now 7 days. Previously it was for 6 days from Monday to Saturday. Now it's for 7 days, Monday to Sunday, and hit enter. And I want this formula to be applied to all the items. That is, I did it by double clicking at the bottom right. So we are done with this. Now we know how to insert rows and columns in between